Welcome back, guys. Ron here once again. Here we go. So today what I wanted to cover for you guys is how to find easy trades. And what do I mean by easy trades? An easy trade is a trade that you get into and the stock, option, contract, or whatever it is that you're trading goes your way right away. I mean, think about it. You can get into something and it goes against you, or you can get into something and it goes your way right away, right? So what are you looking for? You're looking for something, you're looking for a stock that likes to do things that is easy for you to understand. And you won't really understand this until you start going through the charts. So basically what you need to do is build yourself a small list of stocks. If you want this list of stocks, I have shared it on the links below. And what I'm basing my list on is off of their expected daily moves. I like stocks that like to move a lot. Why? Because it gives me plenty of opportunity to get in after it, one, breaks any levels that I needed to break, and two, also confirms the levels. Let's say I get in, I'm getting in slightly later than I want to, but I had no choice because it just broke out too fast or broke down too fast. Then I know, hey, you know what? I still have time because it's still likely to keep going to where I am expecting it. So what I would suggest is you build yourself a small list like this or use something like this. And what you're looking for, guys, is you're going to start going through this entire list and you're going to start looking at the stock's behavior, the stock's pattern, right? You're looking for candles like these. Look at these candles, guys. Let me just show you here. Let's go ahead and zoom in. So this is Amazon here. And what you're looking for is when it's moving down, that it moves down without pretty much any challenge on the upside. When it moves down, it moves down. When it moves down, it moves down, right? When it reverses and it starts going higher, you want to start seeing it do the same thing. When it goes up, it goes up. When it goes up, it goes up. And then you need to understand when it's likely to be choppy. So also mastering the stocks that you're trading is going to help you. Understanding their correlations to the market is going to help you. Understanding what the markets are doing overall is also going to help you. But that's beyond this explanation here. First and foremost, what you need to find is stocks that have very highly predictable moves, either a trending stock or a ranging stock. If the stock is ranging between price X and price B, you need to know, hey, that's what it's doing. Perfect. I need to know, hey, it's trading between here, so I know what it's likely to do next. Oh, it's over here at the bottom. It's probably going to go back here. It's over here at the top. It's probably going to go back over here. So you need to understand that. And then, once again, always look for stocks that have more solid block candles. And by solid block, I mean like these, guys, rather than wicky candles, candles that tend to wick. Right? That wick on both sides. If it only wicks on one side, meaning on the side that it went to originally, fine. You know what I mean? It's not a big deal. So that's what I highly recommend that you start doing as far as finding stocks that are easy to trade. That's the only way you're going to find easy trades. You got to study the charts. Look at this one. This is a perfect example. Look at AZO. When it's going to go down, boom, breaks down, breaks down, breaks down. Hardly any challenge, and it does that repeatedly a lot of times, guys. Look, to the downside, to the upside, very small little challenges, right? So that's what you want to find. You want to find that more often than not. And I know, yeah, but it's I don't know if it looks like, I don't know what I'm looking at here. I see a lot of wick candles at the same time. Yes, it's going to happen, guys. Obviously, not everything is always going to go up in a straight line or down in a straight line. You have to study the chart, study the stock, so that you can understand its behavior and what it's likely to do. So if you're not taking the time to go through the charts till you're sick of it, then you're not doing yourself you're doing yourself a disservice. You're not doing yourself any favors by not making yourself sick. You should be looking at charts so much that you get sick of looking at charts. If you want to master one specific stock, for example, we love to trade Shopify. You know why? Because Shopify is a highly predictable stock. Shopify is likely to stay within a specific range a lot, and it's easy to determine, hey, what it's likely to do next. So go through a list, go through this list, for example, study the charts. Find stocks that do the same thing on a repeated basis. So in this case, look at Shopify. Shopify has a lot of wicks on the recent candles, right? But we understand that. We know that it's likely to come down to this level and reverse from there. So now, again, that's a topic for another video, how to determine the reversals, But as far as the stocks are concerned, your goal, your homework after watching this is study this list or your own personal list or your own personal stock. Just look at chart after chart after chart after chart. get to understand that stock until you know, oh man, I get it. And I know it's hard, guys, to see it now because I'm just saying it. It's easy to talk, whatever. But when you start doing the homework, kind of like when you were in school, how much did you have to study before you actually learned something, before it became ingrained in your head, right? So that's all you have to do, guys. Just go ahead and study these charts. Go ahead and go through your stocks until you find what you consider to be easy. And I promise you, you will find it. There's sometimes just things that like, oh, this is going to be an easy trade. And when you focus on those easy trades, like this one here, look at this. Perfect breakdown. There were plenty of more indicators besides just this chart. I took off all indicators so you guys can kind of just see the chart. But there are plenty of indicators that are going to let you know when a trade is going to be pretty much a good trade. You just have to study the charts. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Let us know what you think in the comment section below, and I will see you guys on the next one.